And behind the lines, this match starts in 3, 2, 1, dive!
And we're off. If you're just tuning in, seeing this game for the first time, the first part is autonomous. Teams get 3 points each for the robots leading their parking zone. If they can score on the reef with the white coral, they will get an autonomous ranking point. And it looks like both teams, Cyberherd and 429, Cyberherd on blue and 429 for red, they scored in the lower level. And their teammates, 999, scored up on top, which they just did again. And that level 4 is worth 5 points. 5 points for every coral up on the upper level. And then they decrease by 1 as you go down. So the next level below 3, that would be 4 points. And 2 would be 3 points. And the level 1 would be 2 points. Score is currently 58-31. Red Alliance is ahead, thanks to all of that scoring in the upper level by 999, 429 on the red side. That is too many Bobcats. It's a team with a Bobcats who's also here, and they're scoring like experts in the lower level. 34-61. Granby Grunts now on the upper level, and you can look at the score. You can look at the color of the coral on the reef, and you can tell. Now to score more, they have to peel that algae off, peel it off. Over on the blue side, Technotix reaching up high, scoring up on level 4. They're going to turn it slowly. It's tough to line up, and they're on. 5 more points for the Blue Alliance, getting closer. 24 points for the difference between both. The Red Alliance is currently ahead. Another thing to pay attention to is you can get a coral ranking point. There are 4 levels, and if you can score 5 coral on all 4 levels, you will get a coral ranking point. That's a pretty rare occurrence, but it has been happening more often as we've gotten later on into the matches. Now there's about 30 seconds left, so what you can watch for there are cages underneath what we call the barge in the middle of the field. There are blue cages and red cages. If teams can hang above the surface on a cage, they will get an extra 12 points. And sometimes that's within the realm of the scoring difference, but maybe not here, but you can watch them do it. Too many Bobcats, 429 for red. They are moving up. 236 for blue. Technotix, they're reaching out and trying to get on top of that cage. And the other robots will get 2 each for parking. And you can get another ranking point if you get it swept by the Red Alliance. Final score, 118-65. And there's a breakdown of the scoring that you can see there. Both teams where it says leave, that's at the beginning of autonomous. You get 3 points for robots, and both alliances were successful at that. Then you look at